Lesson 2. My body. Let's learn. Parts of body. Sense organs. My body has many parts. Each part has a different name. Head, ear, cheek, mouth, neck, shoulder, stomach, thumb, leg, toes, hair, eye, nose, chin, chest, arm, finger, thigh, knee, heel, foot. We use our hands to write, clap, and hold things. Write, clap, hold. We use our legs to stand, run, walk, jump, skip, and kick a ball. Stand, run, walk, jump, skip, kick. Sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. They help us to know the world around us. We have 2 eyes. Our eyes help us to see. Info hive. The most important sense organ of our body is our eyes. We have 2 ears. Our ears help us to hear sound. We have 1 nose. Our nose helps us to smell. We have 1 tongue. Our tongue helps us to taste. We have skin all over our body. Our skin helps us to feel. Try it out. Try to move your ears. You cannot do it, but animals can move their ears. Recap. Our body has many parts. Each part has a different name. We use our hands and legs to do many activities. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin are our sense organs. Our sense organs help us to know the world around us. A.